In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot Deezer app. If you are experiencing any challenges with your app, maybe the app can't open or it keeps on crashing or it is too slow, then let me show you how you can fix Deezer music player and podcast app. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now, there are quite a number of methods we can use to fix these issues. In the first method, we need to access the app info page. To do this, just long press on your app and then choose app info, which is the second option here. And from the app info page, we need to go ahead and clear the app data. So if I go to storage here, you can see a breakdown of data stored by this app. Among the data is app size data, user data, and cache data. Of importance is this cache data. When you talk of cache data, these are just small files that your app normally collects and stores to enhance user experience. But the problem is accumulation of these files might cause your app to malfunction. To fix this, tap on clear data down below and choose the second option, clear cache, and then OK. As you can see, the cache data has been cleared. At this point, go ahead and restart your smartphone and then open your app, and this should have fixed any issues related to your app. In most cases, this is enough to fix all the problems. However, if you still experience any challenge, then you might want to come again and tap on clear data, and this time round choose the first option, clear all data here, and then finally OK. However, should this not fix your problem, then head to the third method, and that is to look for this app through Google Play Store if you're on Android, or App Store if you're on iPhone. So go to Play Store and then look for any update if it is available and update your app to the latest version. One of the reasons why your app might be malfunctioning is because you are using an outdated version of Deezer music and podcast player. By updating to the latest version, now you should be able to get the latest experience with the latest version of the app. However, if you're still experiencing challenges such as your app crashing, then you need to go ahead and uninstall the app and install it afresh to clear any bugs that might be associated with the Deezer music and podcast player app. By using any of these four methods, now your app should be up and running without any issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.